be having a better day than I am. So I'm gonna talk about this thing that I've been kind of sort of putting off. That light just right in my eyes. All right, so talking about these 3D printed thing that I'm printing with my printer, my 3D printer. These are this. So I was gonna put like more additions on here, and I'm like, but not everyone. I was gonna put out like another piece on here, so I can actually fit this perfectly in here. But I was like, but not every one of these things is designed the same way. So if I make something like that, then this won't fit. Some of them are 12 inches wide, some of them are 14 inches. Unless I'm planning on buying the same exact one every single time, I decided not to I just leave it just blank like that, and then it just hold the roll. Just like that. And this is the design, the final design, final product. And it's just two of them. Oops. Alright. There it is. So two of them. And then you need a piece of PVC. I was going to use wood dowels. It's a 3/4 inch PVC. I was going to use wood dowels, but I figured, why? When PVC is just as strong, and this don't really have any weight, and it rolls nicely. And what I did is I wrap it with a piece of vinyl. I just wrap with sticky vinyl. You can buy cheap stuff. I just had this around the house, so I didn't bother go get any. I just use it and wrap it. Both sides wrapped, so it looks matching. So if you can get, anything will work. And as you can see, it works perfectly. Let me show you. So you just push it in, grab the sheet. So it just glides. I don't even have to hold up there. The sheet just glides right out, and it prints perfectly. See, no damages on my prints, no marks, no nothing. It just prints perfectly. All right. That's how that is. So my nifty, handy dandy nifty DTF roll. So if you want one, let me know. We can figure that out from there. These two, the set right here is for our already a subscriber. See them and they wanted them, so I'm gonna send it to them. All right. Peace.
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.